This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Cernos Gel is a testosterone replacement therapy used by adult men to treat male hypogonadism. It helps alleviate various symptoms such as low libido, impotence, and fatigue. Indications and uses. This gel is primarily indicated for men suffering from male hypogonadism, a condition that results from inadequate testosterone levels. It is used to replace testosterone to improve symptoms such as impotence, infertility, decreased sex drive, fatigue, and depressive moods associated with low hormone levels. How it works. Cernos Gel functions by replenishing testosterone levels in men diagnosed with hypogonadism, thereby improving clinical symptoms and overall well-being. Directions for use. Always apply the gel as directed by a physician. It should be applied externally to clean, dry skin on the shoulders or upper arms. Ensure to limit application to areas covered by short sleeves, and allow the gel to dry before covering. Hands must be washed thoroughly after application, and direct contact with the genitals should be avoided. It is recommended to refrain from showering or washing the application area for at least 2 hours post-application. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include burning or prickling sensations, dryness, rash, and itchiness at the application site. Serious side effects may involve prostate changes, increased body hair, and symptoms indicative of blood clots or heart issues. Precautions and warnings. This gel is not suitable for individuals with known prostate or breast cancer, and caution is advised for those with pre-existing conditions like high blood pressure, liver or renal diseases, and diabetes. It is intended for use only by men and should not be used in pregnant or breastfeeding women. Consultation with a healthcare provider is essential before starting treatment. FAQs. 1. Does Cernos Gel cause breathing difficulty? Yes, it may lead to sleep apnea in certain individuals. 2. What if a child accidentally gets exposed? Wash the area immediately and consult a doctor. 3. Can I go swimming after applying it? No, avoid water exposure for at least 2 hours after application. 4. Can I change the dose? Always consult a doctor before making any changes to the dosage. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below.